Hello, good morning students. So now as we know that the statement problems is going on of the quadratic equations and we are on the exercise 4.3. So now let's see the sum 9th of exercise 4.3, very important question. Now let's see the statement. What is the statement? Two taps, two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. So let the diameter of smaller, or you can say let the time taken by smaller tap is equal to x hours. And what is given that the larger tap will take 10 hours less than to cover a tap. So the time taken by larger tap, 10 hours less than means x minus 10 hours. X minus 10 hours. What we have to do, find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So now let the time taken by the smaller tap be x hours and the time taken by the larger tap be x minus 10 hours. So now let's do a part of tank, you can say part of tank filled in 1 hour by smaller tap, by the smaller tap, and that is 1 by x, a part of tank. Similarly, part of tank filled by larger tap in 1 hour, and that is 1 upon x minus 10. And according to question, they both are filling the tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. 9 3 by 8 hours. 9 3 by 8. 7 into 8, 9 into 8, 72 plus 3, 75 by 8 hours. And as we have taken the reciprocal here, so we will also take the reciprocal here, that will be 8 by 75. Now what we have to do, we have to find the value of x. Once we got the value of x, we can find the value of the larger tap as well, because x is the time taken by the smaller tap, and we have what we have to find the time taken by both means the smaller tap as well as the larger tap. Now here you can see we have to solve this. Now let's take the LCM first. This is x into x minus 10, that is 8 by 75, and here x is cancelled out, x minus 10 and multiply x. So here this is x into x, x square. This is plus x here. So x minus 10 plus x divided by x into x, that is x square, minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. Now x plus x 2x, 2x minus 10 divided by x square minus 10x, here it is x square, x into x, x square, and x into 10 minus 10x, that is equal to 8 by 75. Now cross multiplication. While we do the cross multiplication, what we got? Here it is 75 into 2, 150x minus 750 is equal to 8x square and minus 80x. Minus 80x. Now let's change the sides, so it will become minus 8x square. 150x plus 80x plus 230x minus 750 is equal to 0. Negative sign take common. Here will be get 8x square minus 230x, 8x square minus 230x and minus 750, that is equal to 0. So what we got? 8x square minus 230x minus 750. Now next step is that we have to solve this quadratic equation. As you can see, 750 multiply 8, that will comes out to be 6000, and we have to split 230 in such a way. So 6000 means 200 multiply 30. So here this is 8x square minus 200x minus 30x and minus 750, that is equal to 0. So from here 8x is common, we get x minus 25, and here again what we can say, minus 30 is common, or you can say plus 30 is common. So we get from here x minus 25, that is equal to 0 here. So now while we solve this, we can get, after solving this, we can get the value of x, that is 25. So the time taken by the smaller tap is 25, and the time take 25 hours, and the time taken by the larger tap is x minus 10. X minus x is 25, so this is smaller, and for larger we can say x minus 10. So what is x here? 25. 25 minus 10, that is 15 hours. So the time taken by the smaller tap is 25 hours, and the time taken by the larger tap is 15 hours. So see this question once. Now let's do some 11th of exercise 4.3, and the question is, sum of the areas of two square is 468 meters square if the difference of their perimeter is 24, and find the sides of the two square. Let there are two squares, so let x and y be the sides of two squares. According to question, what is given, sum of their areas is, the area of the first square will be x square plus area of the second square will be y square, and it is given equal to 468. Then if the difference of their perimeter, what is the perimeter of a square? 4 multiply side. So what is the perimeter of the square whose side is x? We will get 4x, and the difference is 4x minus 4y, and it is given to us as 24 meter, that is 24. So here we can get the value, 4 is common, so x minus y is equal to 24 by 4. Here we can get x minus y, that is 6. X minus y is 6, x square plus y square is this, and x minus y is this. So we can find the value of x from here, x is y plus 6, and put in equation 1. Then we have to put in equation 1. So put in equation 1, what is x? That is y plus 6 whole square plus y square is equal to 468. Is equal to 468. Now we will get the quadratic term here. Then we have to solve this quadratic term, and once we get the value of y, we will get the value of x. So by this method, we have to solve this question. So you have to cover up the remaining part of this question, means you have to solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term, and do practice the questions up to exercise 4.3. Do solve the examples as well. In the coming video, we will start with the topic, or we will start exercise 4.4, that is the word problems. Thank you.